The economic state of my hair right now is terrifying. I took out a quick weave and I was finding my hair back to back to back. Now my hair is like extremely dry. It's okay though. But welcome to another day in my life. It's like 1 right now. My phone's charging, so I don't know. Starting this day at like 1. I know it's so terrible, but I actually have a lot of stuff to do. We're gonna start the day off with us going to trimming rugs. We're gonna trim some rugs today. I probably need to go Joann's as well. I need to go to a lot of stores. Right now y'all have 3 rugs laid out. I don't know which one I want to work on because all of these rugs take quite an amount of time to do. I'm gonna let y'all choose though. I'm gonna let y'all choose. So we have this one. It's the one I made. It says, I heard to make boys cry. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this is my favorite. This is Chrome Hearts Baby Milo. The details didn't turn out how I expected them to, but it's still a hard rug overall. This one, if you see my last vlog, you know you've already seen these rugs prior. But we have this one as well. I think I'm gonna go with the I Heart to Make Boys Cry because Valentine's Day is coming up. So I think I'm gonna go with that one. We gotta find some backing for this. We gotta back all these rugs. I'm gonna try to back all of them today. I'm not gonna trim all of them today, but I'm gonna back all of them today and I'm gonna trim one. It's probably gonna be that one or that one. Alright y'all, right now I'm folding in all the corners and basically I got my hot glue gun right here. Ooh, this hot. I'm folding in all the corners and we about to just go around the whole perimeter. And yeah, if you see my other video, you know basically what I'm doing. But I'm finna go get some boba. I'm tired of doing this. So this is how it looks so far. It's so cute. I can't wait to post it. But no, actually, we have a hater right here. A hater. Here we are. Kung Fu tea. I ain't gonna lie, this collab better be good. So cute. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This drink is tea. I ain't gonna lie, this drink bustin'. I'm finna get my own. They gave me stickers to go with it. I'm putting this on my MacBook. We're making a TikTok too. So go follow us on Instagram. The cup is so cute. I just want to keep the cup and put it on my dresser. Like a hoarder. Queen. I still need to go to Walmart. What time is it? I have like an hour before the service desk closes. Sitting here enjoying my fine 5-star meal with the potatoes I made. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, it's like 7:15 and I'm eating in the car because I realized the service this closes at like 8, so now I'm trying to run to Walmart. I'm gonna just keep putting it off if I don't go do it now. So like now I'm on the way to Walmart, rushing. I hear a cricket. I hope that's not in my car. I'm on the way rushing while I'm eating a pork chop and some potatoes. Yeah, I think it's the protein powder I'm gonna get. I don't know. I have to return the other one because it wasn't really working with me for real. But wait, chocolate? I need vanilla. Vanilla, yes sir. This one everybody and their daddy be drinking, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. They got a donkey flavor one. It's crazy. See, I almost grabbed chocolate. Who the freak eating chocolate? Let's go ahead and get this one. Oh, I ain't never bought fabric from Walmart. I should give me some. They have a whole variety section. Why am I sitting up in these people freezer? Can I help you? The fuck? I hate when people look at me crazy, but 20 grams. They only have the vanilla one. No, I just need a 20 grams protein. 15. I'm just gonna get these two. Okay, and check out before my tab get too fat for real. Like, what's up, y'all? It's the next day. Look at the bowl I'm eating. It's one of them Jimmy Dean bowls. It's supposed to be 400 calories, so we We gonna see. I just got some good news, and this is, hey Zoe, your order is off for delivery. It should be delivered today. Man, UPS usually comes around my house like late. Like, I don't know if I'm able to do the try on haul early for y'all. I'm finna actually probably watch my dog. I ain't lying. I've been putting off watching him for the longest, but I'm gonna watch him today. Cause my mom used to want to watch him, but she's been begging me to do it. I hate this bacon. It's just like some salty ham, but she been begging me to do it, and it's like, I'll do it, I guess. I guess it is my dog, but bro, y'all look this treat my sister got my dog. Ain't no way. He liked this mug too. He be fond of that gas. You know, I want to use this is some dog shampoo my mom bought for my dog, and then they have this spray next to it. I guess it's some probiotic itch relief. He do be itching, so yeah, we're gonna have to use this. And I need to take him to the vet too. But and I have his little towel and his rubber ducky sitting ready for him. He doesn't know he's gonna get a bath, and he hates it so much, but Cardi is secretly mugging me on the inside, but it's time. You stink. Honestly, I think my best motive is to just throw him in there, because he knows it's time. And he's like looking at the water like, please don't put me in there. Like, I have to, because like, you stink. On the towel, I guess. Scrap it up. Oh, hold on, let me get his little rubber ducky. Very natural. Make sure to clean his tail. Come on, let me wipe your face. Ever so gently. He didn't play with his rubber ducky. Ungrateful. I'm about to read about how this anti-itch stuff works. I'm pretty sure all the soap is off him. Like, he ready to get out. I know. But we finna dry him. He didn't got out himself. First of all, sir, you get out when I tell you to get out. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, he's interested. I'm just gonna get him out. Stop being a giant chicken. I'm finna get you out. I start with his paws, really. Kind of just jumped into my hands, but I'm just drying everything. And you really gotta go in with the ears, because I know the ears, when there's water in there, really irritates him. So I used to use a blow dryer, but it's like he ends up running away from the blow dryer. Make his face. He does this every time, and I try to wipe all the water out his ears, but of course he does this. Oh, I ain't talking about nothing. What y'all talking about, nothing? I need a vanity real bad, because I be sitting on my floor in front of my mirror. I sit on my floor in front of my mirror and put on my ring light, and I call that a vanity, okay? My Fashionnova package came in, so I'm finna do y'all a quick little haul of that. I'm finna just show y'all what I got. Summer's coming up, and I'm glad this is tinier than I thought. But this little cute dress, it's like a collared. It's kind of ugly in person. I like colored stuff. Like, I wear this casually. Like, it kind of looks like a baby shower. Kind of like a baby shower shirt. I don't know how I feel about this. I just added it to my cart last minute and said, okay, I'm gonna get it. Maxi skirt. Oh, I got this long black skirt. Y'all probably don't even need to see it's literally a long black skirt. I plan on wearing it with some rips. The material, I didn't know it was ribbed. Hold on, let me open this. Oh, it's not that cheap ribbed, it's that thick ribbed. This is as y'all can see, the material is, oh, look how slim this is. Literally a slim dress, and in the end it's like kind of rigid, so kind of get that streetwear feel. But oh my god, this is gonna hug my body like a motherfucker. Valentine's Day outfit. Should I show y'all? I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, because y'all gang for real. Y'all gang for real. This is so cute. Like, it's so tiny. Y'all, I ain't gonna tell y'all what color my hair gonna be, but just know with this dress, this tiny little dress, I'm gonna look cute as fuck. I'm gonna look like a bad bitch, period. I had to find the black and get it. I like Fashionnova shirts because they be actually thick. Like, it's a lace top, but it's not one of them thin lace tops. Like, you can tell the texture is like some thick ribbed Feel me? Put it on. Yeah, I just got a lot of black stuff because I like black, but this top pretty cute, I guess. I know I should have got the lace lingerie looking shirt because I seen this lace lingerie shirt, mad cute. But I'm like, it had polka dots on it, so I thought it was childish, and it was like see-through. So I'm like, I wouldn't even wear that in public anyway. I would just take like pictures on and post on Instagram. So I just got something that I know I can wear in public. I got this little set. I'm not gonna open the full set because I'm not putting it on yet. But I'm gonna insert a picture right here how it looks. But this full set is so cute. I'm like, I need that. I want that. I wonder how big this is though. I don't know. I'm probably gonna take pictures on it. Take pictures in it at the fair though. Yes. How do you rip a zip tie? It's giving. Hold on. It's giving Cartier dupe. That's what it reminded me of. It's giving Cartier dupe, but they're hearts. Like, it's so cute. It's too shiny, I can't see it, but I'm gonna put it on my wrist. Dang, this is for a little wrist person. Mind you, I'm like, how many pounds? Oh, never mind, it's not that small. Cute little jewelry like this is gonna go so cute with my dress. Some chunky gold earrings. I ain't gonna lie, these earrings mad chunky, but they actually cute. Like, they don't look that big. They kind of heavy. As you can see, they weighing my ear down, but like, they cute. Like, yes, it's gonna look so cute with my dress. Like, period.